how to use Zia in Zoho CRM. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zia in Zoho CRM. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, go to zoho.com/CRM and click sign in. If your Zoho account is linked with Google, just click the Google button. It's quick and secure. Once you're in, head to your CRM dashboard. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the Zia icon. It's right next to the Notes icon. Click it to open up Zia's panel. Before diving in, make sure Zia notifications are enabled. These alerts will give you real-time suggestions based on your sales activities, like when to follow up with a lead or which deal needs your attention. Now click Ask Zia. This is where the magic happens. You can type questions like, show me this month's revenue, which deals are likely to close, or generate a sales report. Zia pulls the data instantly and keeps you ahead of the game. The more you use Zia, the smarter it gets. It learns from your patterns and improves its suggestions over time, so don't be afraid to explore and ask it for help regularly. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can start using Zia to save time, get smarter insights, and close deals faster in Zoho CRM. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out our other CRM tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.